Hey guys, we're going to be tapping out some sounds and listening for the word. Now, all of our words today are going to have the same ending sound. They're all going to make the ot sound. Ot. You can see I already have two of my letters up. O makes the ah sound. T makes the t sound. Ot. Ot. So all of our words today are going to make the ot sound. Now I'm going to put a sound at the beginning of ot. I'm going to put, the P. What sound does the P make? P, p, p. Nice. So let's put our sounds together. P, ot. P, ot. What word do you hear? P, ot. The word pot. Nice job. Like I am cooking in a big pot. I'm going to take away the P in pot. And I'm going to put, the letter L. What sound does the L make? L. Nice. So let me put my sounds together. L, ot. L, ot. What word do you hear? Lot. Like I love you a lot. Nice. Oh, another way I can use that word is I had to park the car in the parking lot. Nice. I'm going to take away the L in lot. And I'm going to put the letter C. What sound does the C make? K, k, k. Nice. So let me put together my sounds. K, ot. K, ot. What word do you hear? K, ot. The word cot. Oh yeah, like when we nap, we lay down on our cot. Nice. So I've had the word lot, cot, pot. What do you notice about all those words? Lot, cot, pot. They rhyme. Yeah, rhyming words have the same ending sound. So that means that when I hear words that rhyme, a lot of times they have the same letters at the end of the word because they have the same ending sound. Maybe I can do one more word that rhymes with lot, cot, pot. How about I do a nonsense word? A silly word that doesn't mean anything. I'm going to take away the C and I'm going to put the letter Z. What sound does the Z make? Z. So let's see what this silly nonsense word is going to be. Z, ot. Z, ot. Z, ot. The word zot. What? That is just a silly word that doesn't mean anything, but it also rhymes with lot, cot, pot, and zot. All of those words rhyme. So we can even build and tap out nonsense words too. Whoa, you guys are getting really good at tapping out your words. Keep practicing.